In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your admin in Google Workspace, a process that only takes about 5 minutes. Whether you're transferring responsibilities or managing user access, updating admin roles is an important skill to have at your fingertips. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Workspace. This is your starting point for all things related to managing your organization's Google services. Once you're on the main Google Workspace page, locate the Admin Console. It's your control hub for managing accounts and settings across your organization, making it an essential tool for administrators. Next, log in using your business email. It's crucial to use the email associated with your admin privileges to access the necessary controls. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. There you'll see the Google Apps menu, which provides quick access links to various Google services and admin tools. Click on this menu and within the list, find the admin icon. Selecting this will take you to the admin dashboard, a comprehensive interface where you oversee all user accounts and configurations. Once you're on the dashboard, it's time to delve into the directory. The directory is your go-to spot for managing user accounts, and it provides valuable insights into your organization's structure. Select Directory to proceed. Following that, click on Users. The Users section is where you can view and manage each individual user account within your organization. It's an important area for administering roles and access levels. You'll then need to locate the specific account profile you want to change. Click on it to open the detailed settings for that particular account. At this point, you should see an option labeled Assign Roles. Click on this to view the role options available for modification. One of the critical roles you'll encounter is the Super Admin role. The Super Admin has full access and control over the Google Workspace environment, so it's important to assign this role with careful consideration. Click on Super Admin if you're assigning that position. After making your selection, remember to click on Save. The save step is crucial as it ensures that your changes are finalized and implemented across the system. Without saving, any adjustments made would not take effect, potentially causing disruptions in access or management capabilities. And that wraps up the process. You've successfully updated the admin settings within Google Workspace. These straightforward steps ensure that leadership responsibilities are properly reassigned, maintaining efficient and secure operation within your organization. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.